We also must remember that most of those people fighting for our rights were not Muslims. They were fighting for our rights. I want to say one other serious thing. I don't need to tell any of you here, and I particularly don't need to tell our sisters who wear hijab, what the world is like right now. Our political discussion, our public rhetoric has become angry and divisive, and it's only going to get worse. This fall, we're going to have a series of referendums that are all focused on being anti-immigrants. It's shameful. It's wrong. And for the next 10 months, we're going to see increases in anti-immigrant sentiment. We're going to see increases in careless and angry comments on the streets and online. And God forbid that we see even more increases in hate crime, in Islamophobia, and anti-Semitism and religious bigotry. So what do we do about that? We do what we've always done as a community. We spend our time, as everyone here has done, lifting others up rather than pushing people down. And our skills in our community and our love for one another are going to be needed more than anything else over the next several months. And it's not just about the four of us standing on stage with microphones. We're pretty good at that. But it's about every single one of us speaking out against this anti-immigrant behavior everywhere we see it. And speaking for the kind of Alberta where everyone belongs and where everyone can thrive. Okay, that was my good talk. This is a festival that's a lot more fun than just good talks. So once again, I'm going to hand over to my colleagues to say a word each. But before I do that, I'm just going to say once again, Ramadan Mubarak to everyone, and thanks again to everyone who's brought us together in community. Irfan?
Thank you so much. I won't take much of the time because the President, I just want to congratulate Sehri and everybody very big process. बहुत बढ़िया इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज किया इतों का पैशन थोड़ी कमिटमेंट जेड़ा कम्युनिटी में बैठ देंगे जेड़ा साडा रमजान का रियल मैसेज है टू शेयर विद अदर्स उसी ओन पूरा कर दे मैं कोई छोटी पर्सनल स्टोरी शेयर कर रहा हूं एक आउट तो पहला मैं अपने मेरी ग्रैंडमदर दादी जी नाल गल करदा सी कि मैं रमजान के इवेंट पे चले मेरी दादी जी शी 95 इयर्स ओल्ड बहुत खुश हुई उन्होंने मैंने दसा कि अज तो 60-70 साल पहला सारे पिंड के जदों साढ़े मसलिम भैन भरा रोजे रखते सी तो बाकी का सारा पिंड के वास्ते दुध ते फूड बना के लेके जाता सी ते उन्हां दा जिहड़ा फास्ट वो इकट्ठे ब्रेक करते सी सो कोई भी चाहे किसी भी धर्म के विचों आ किसी भी कम्यूनिटी के विचों आ कोई धर्म मैटर नहीं करता मैटर करता सी अपने लोगों के नाल गल्लां करदे ते अज इस टाइम दे विच सब तो वध लोड़ असल एक दूजा साथ देण दी जिवें मैं कदे प्रैक्टिकल गल करदा नहीं हुंदा पर ये टाइम भी इहो जिहा आया साडे अलबर्टा दे विच आपां देखदे हां पहलां जिहड़ी गवर्नमेंट आ पहलां डॉक्टर्स पिछे आए टीचर्स पिछे आए लॉयर्स पिछे आए ते अज ओह सानूं सारे नूं इमिग्रेंट सिद्धांत करता है ये हुण साडा फर्ज बनदा साडा सारिਆਂ ਦਾ एक दूजे ਦੇ ਨਾਲ इकट्ठे होकर साझी बातों का मैसेज देने का इकट्ठे होइए ताकि जिहड़ा अलबर्टा असीं चूज कीता सी असीं अपने बच्चों वास्ते भी छड्ड के जाइए नहीं असीं अपने बच्चों को फेस नहीं कर सकांगे कि असीं जिहड़ा अलबर्टा असीं चूज कीता सी ਉਹਦੇ ਇੰਪਲੀਮੈਂਟ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਗਵਰਨਮੈਂਟ ਹੈ ਪਾਰਟੀ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਖਰਾਬ ਕਰ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਸੋ ਮੈਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਰਿਕਵੈਸਟ ਕਰਦਾ ਵੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਹੋਈਏ ਤੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਸਟਰੋਂਗ ਮੈਸੇਜ ਦੇਈਏ ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਜੀ By now, my brother Ashok has learned a lesson that it's never good idea to do community politicians. So, anyways, thank you so much for having us. Congratulations to all our volunteers, to the organizing team, to every single one who have put efforts to make this event successful for the 6th time in a row. To Shaukat Khan, his entire team, and leading Naheed Nenshi has said everything. I don't need to repeat those things. But it's always lovely to be here. Thank you so much for having us.
Before you guys leave us, ladies and gentlemen, I want to share something with you. जब हम वोट डालने जाते हैं, or any of us are going out to vote, we are looking for leaders who not only support the community but show up. And this is what we we mean by showing up and taking part and always showing up. So please, round of applause for our leaders today. These are the leaders we want. If you look at your time on your watch, it's not early, it's after work hours, it's not your regular hours. So honestly, thank you so much for always showing up. And again, thank you, Sana and the First Shoji for making this platform such a huge platform.
Thank you very much. This is our very own Mr. Naheed Nenshi and Irfan Sabir, Singh, Thank you very much guys for being here. And I'll hand back the mic to Sangeeta now. We have a lot more dignitaries to come and I'll keep introducing them as soon as they get in. So please stay focused with us. Over to you, Sangeeta.
Thank you so much. So I am going to call back on stage Farah and Zayda. We're going to be doing a quiz here. So all the kids, please come back up. We've got really lots of gift cards to give you. Asmira and Zayda, whenever you guys have 3 minutes, please come up. You guys, if you haven't done your shopping, so many good deals today. My jewelry today is all sponsored by Jewelry by MLAs. If you follow her on Instagram, you can actually enter to win a draw. Nisa Style is giving away 2 stunning shawls. She's just right to my right hand here. Make sure you visit her, enter her lucky draw. So many amazing vendors. And here, back to you guys. Thank you, Sangeeta.
Okay, so I'll count 3, 2, 1. Say ready. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
और भी बच्चे जो पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहते हैं प्लीज आ जाए
1. I think they're ready now, right? I mean, at midnight they have all this energy. There is a very stable source of sugar and sharbat and lassi.
Thank you.
So I think we will start with the next question.
Very sportive.
Okay.
Thank you very much for.
What is the name of the book given to Prophet Musa? Okay, I'll repeat the question. What is the name of the book given to Prophet Musa? I think. No. Go on. Yes. We have to make sure that we encourage the winners. So we will have to make sure that you appreciate and clap for the winner. So a round of applause for the winner. What is your name? So Hamza is the winner of this gift card. And what do? We encourage. So big round of applause for Hamza.
ये सारे सेम कपड़े हैं बस ऐसे ही अगर ऐसे ही आप कैसे आप ले लो जी सारे आगे भरा सर वर्ल्ड कप का कौन जीत रहा है स्टार्ट या कुछ मैसेज देना चाहिए बढ़िया
Especially when we are talking about, and this is an important day, International Women's Day is in March 8th. So women's rights are very important and fundamental in Islam.
I don't have
So
picture, I have
who
video.
was the first person to accept Islam? First person. Okay. All the legs alone. Islam. Who is the first person who accepted Islam? Bibi Khadija. Aliza will get the gift card.
मैं फोन करता था और बधाइयां दे दो
Who's the winner?
रमजान दियां बहुत बहुत बधाइयां
एक छोटी सी अनाउंसमेंट करके बस 2 मिनट में एक छोटी सी अनाउंसमेंट करके फोन गुम हो गया है। ब्लू कलर का 17 प्रो मैक्स है, ब्लैक कलर का उसका केस है और व्हाइट एंड एक कार्टून कैरेक्टर बना हुआ है। अगर किसी को वो फोन मिलता है तो प्लीज यहाँ पे स्टेज पे हमें दे जाए। थैंक यू।
Okay, so the next question is about Quran. What is the name of shortest surah of Quran? Shortest surah of Quran. Surah Kauthar. So Zayan is the winner of this gift card.
ठीक है मेरे ख्याल में बाकी बाद च बनाने हैं